Okay. Water is a valuable resource. Without it, survival on Earth could be impossible. This useful resource is wanted for numerous reasons. Some of the water's main uses are human consumption, agriculture, and industry use. Water distribution varies depending on various areas. Most areas have a limited supply of water and are regularly not able to fulfill the growing demand. California is a state that has had water problems in recent years. Research shows that the water issues California faces will persist if no action is taken. California water supply depends on the state's rainfall. Without rainfall, droughts can occur and lead to a critical shortage in our water. It is critical that California take steps um, to ensure its future water security. Therefore, California should develop a long-term strategy, mainly consisting of environmental impact and and the misuse of water. California has been experiencing severe water shortages for the past 4 years. Severe droughts have in the past have led to a shortage of our water reserves. Uh, the government has been forced to require action to resist the water crisis. In an article by the Water Portal Society states that inadequate water supply can result in reduced ability for soils to support crops, an increased amount of dust due to dryness, erosion, and a greater chance of wildfires due to the dry landscape. Currently, a strategy adopted by the CIN authorities in the year 2019 is to scale back the consumption of residents. The state authorities have adopted a policy of imposing water restrictions as an answer to the water problem. Although most of Earth's surface is covered by water, only 1% of fresh water is suitable for drinking and domestic use. Most of the remaining water is either salt water or frozen ice caps and or glaciers. That means fresh water needs to be conserved. With most homes in the United States uses an average of 300 gallons a day, according to the U.S. Environment Protection Agency. A couple of those examples are watering your lawn too often, leaving the faucet on, or when washing dishes, or even something small like a broken leaking faucet. That can affect you to conserve water. As water resources become scarce, access to clean drinking water becomes more of a problem for many people. The state of California is one of the major populations within the U.S., and because of its major population, the U.S. will have trouble keeping up with the demand for water. In its current state, agriculture uses almost 4 times more water than urban users. This high industrial use of water was caused by the increased cultivation of water-hungry crops. For an example, farmers in California grow almonds, which consume a lot of water. On February 2018, Philfot revealed that producing a single almond requires a gallon of water, while a grape only requires a third of that amount, and a strawberry about half of a gallon of water. Using this strategy helps the U.S. on rationing water by specifically targeting a subcategory of crops um, that require less water. Most people are not aware of their water consumption, and this leads to a lot of waste. People can take steps to ensure they use water efficiently in their homes. In an article by WaterSense published in 2022, suggests that some simple efficiency measures can reduce your water use. Uh, these measures include showering instead of bathing, not leaving the water running when brushing your teeth, your hands, or washing your hands, sorry, and even washing your fruit. In addition, households can reduce water consumption by using energy-efficient washing machines and replacing older model shower heads and toilet water tanks with high-efficient ones instead. State residents can also have technicians check their homes for water leaks. Leaking toilets and faucets should be repaired to avoid wasting water. Smith documents that in California, more than 50% of all water used in homes is used for outdoor tasks, primarily watering lawns. California authorities have recognized that they have a water crisis and have taken action to address this problem. However, the chosen strategy is largely based on limiting water consumption by its consumers. This document has shown that this is only a short-term strategy that will not solve the water shortages that the state will face in the future. The state must implement plans to ensure the safety of California's waters for years to come. Ways must be found to increase the available water reserves um, and improve current consumption. The solutions proposed in the document are feasible and, if implemented, will solve the long-term water scarcity problems currently facing California. The solutions will also have a positive impact on our environment, which is deteriorating due to the current water consumption. As such, authorities will begin to work on these proposals to address the water issues in California. The water issues California is currently facing and ensure the future water security for the state.